Edwards Certified program is the Metro's premier pre-owned protection plan only from the Edwards Auto Group in Village Point and Council Bluffs. When you buy an Edwards Certified vehicle, you get more protection at no additional cost. Door dings, windshield cracks and chips, covered. Lost key replacement, covered. Roadside assistance for flats, jump starts, even gas, covered. Plus, every Edwards Certified vehicle comes with our exclusive 6-month, 6,000-mile limited warranty. But that's not all. If you don't absolutely love your Edwards Certified vehicle, just bring it back for an exchange or refund within 7 days, no questions asked. Now that's peace of mind. You can buy a used car anywhere, but if you're looking for more car for your money and unmatched protection, just make the drive to the Edwards Auto Group. When you're looking for the ultimate ride, make sure it's Edwards Certified.
It pays to make the drive.
At Village Point in Omaha and just off the South Expressway exit in Council Bluffs or online at edwardsautogroup.com.